Hello there and welcome. In this lesson, I'll talk about how to increase the selling limit. In the previous lesson, we talked about what is selling limit and what is the limit as you can see by here. But in this lesson, I'll give you specific strategies on how to increase that selling limit. So I've showed you in the previous lesson that you can go to this page and you will search for selling limits on Google about eBay and you can find increase your limit. You can click request a limit increase and then you'll be prompted into this page. So unfortunately, you are currently not eligible for a selling limit increase. This is most likely what you will see because as I said, you need to at least become a seller that hits the limit. First of all, as I've showed you previously, you need to at least hit the 10 items limit or the dollars limit. Now, let's say you are coming to the end of the month and you actually about to hit this dollar limit and you don't have any more items to list. What you will do is simply go to your existing listed and edit the pricing of that item and try to make sure that you hit the dollar amount limit. So once you do that, you will be able to next month get either prompted or asked to basically increase the limit. So that would be very, very good for you. But in the case you don't see this, you will be able to see two things: either contact us by email or by the phone. So if you can contact by the phone and you can speak fluent English at least, that will be very good. You can hop on the call and talk with them. Otherwise, I would suggest you to do the email. Now, what to type in the email is pretty simple. Just say, I have a lot of inventory that I would like to sell and I have reached the limit and I would like to sell even more on eBay. Can I please get an increased limit? But in the phone, otherwise you'll have to ask about some other things. So right here in your eBay, go to your accounts and make sure that you have your personal information ready and your addresses ready, because that's quite important for eBay. So in address, just keep it whenever in the call they ask you about the address, give them the address, give them personal information, and then they will ask you, why would you like to increase this limit? As I said, the same thing you said in the email, you're just going to say in the call, I have a lot of inventory and I would like to sell more on your platform. Don't mention you are a dropshipper because that might actually get you in trouble because eBay doesn't like it that much. But yeah, you don't mention that and just make sure that you say that, hey, basically, I would like to increase the limits because I have a limit on this and I have more inventory that I would like to sell. And I'm getting some attraction on eBay. Can you do that for me? Now, if they say yes, that would be good. After the call for a day or two, they will increase that limit. If they say no, in that case, simply you will have to wait for next month. And that's really about it. You can get one increased limit per month and you even get it automatically per month if you are eligible for it. And that's about it for today's lesson. I'll see you in the next one.